Hello there, here we have the stunning Hyundai i20. As you can see, it's in this lovely black colour. It is a 5-door, it is a 1.2 and it's a 3-cylinder engine. It does have rear parking sensors and alloy wheels, and if I show you around the front of the vehicle, it does also have LED daytime running lights, as you can see, and automatic lights as well. I'll show you the inside of the vehicle. It has cloth upholstery. On the steering wheel, it does have cruise control and speed limiter, radio controls and audio controls. You do also have your automatic lighting down there as well. I'll show you into the centre console there. You do have air conditioning and climate control as standard. Also Bluetooth controls and FM and AM radio stations. I'll show you down there, you do have your parking sensor button, and it is a 6-speed gearbox. You also do have your USB point and your power point in there as well. I'll show you into the boot. As you see, you do have a nose boost space there, and it is a 60-40 split, so the seats do go down. You do have a space saver spare wheel as well. Now for just a quick overview of the vehicle itself. As you can see, it does also have ISOFIX points in the back. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.